A few days ago, I had one of the worst migraine attacks I've had in a long time. When they come, everything stops. The light hurts, sound hurts, even thinking feels heavy. For a while, all I can do is wait for it to pass. But today, I'm trying to come back. Slowly. To ease back into my routines after a few hard days. Roses always lift my mood. Their scent, their colors, the way they make every space feel a little bit more alive. I made another loaf of the same wholemeal bread you saw me making a few videos ago. There's comfort in repetition, in doing something my hands already know. I think healing often hides in small, ordinary things like this. Slow mornings remind me to breathe again. Just coffee, quiet, and a bit of sunlight. Giuseppe and I have this little routine. When I sit down for breakfast, he hops on my lap, purrs, plays with his tail, and keeps hoping he'll get a bite of whatever I'm eating. It's our small piece of everyday joy. I missed mornings like this. Quiet, familiar, gentle. I have neglected the vegetable garden these past weeks, yet it has been kind to me. The New Zealand spinach has taken over, wild and generous, so today felt like the right time to gather some. A lot, actually. Talking about repetition, This is one of those meals I come back to often. Simple, nourishing, and comforting. I have shared it before, but it never loses its warmth. Today I'm making it again, this time with the spinach that decided to thrive on its own. There is something soothing about using what the garden gives, even when I haven't given it much in return. This blouse has been waiting for me to finish it. Just a few buttonholes and buttons left. I have been putting it off while I wasn't feeling well and while I worked on other projects, like my Halloween dress. But today felt like a good day to pick it up again. I also cut the pattern for my next project, one of the pinafore dresses I have been planning. It feels good to look ahead again, even if the pace stays slow. I think that's enough for today. For a first day back to my usual rhythm, it feels plenty. Tomorrow will bring its own things to do, and that's okay. If you have been going through pain or exhaustion, I hope you're gentle with yourself too. Rest when you need to, move when you can, and remember, slow days still count.